Hello everyone! I miss every one of you. Welcome back to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will share with you my easy recipe about homemade pizza. Here in America there's a lot of pizza factories and they are selling good and tasty pizza. But sometimes we like to spend fun time with our kids making pizza. Now I will share with you my easy recipe. Hope you will try it. In a bowl with a stand mixer, fit it with a dough hook, mix your flour, your dry yeast, your sugar, your salt. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of oil. Add your hot water. Let your mixer mix everything well until you get a soft and sticky dough. Time to time you have to stop your mixer. Bring this flour from the edges to the center to mix everything well. Whenever you get a soft and sticky dough, transfer this dough from this bowl to other bowl that you have greased before. Transfer your dough from this bowl to the bowl that you have greased before and let it proof for about 30 minutes. When your dough is double in its size, now it's time to roll our pizza dough. Before rolling out our pizza in our pan, we have to work our dough a little bit. Working your dough is increasing air inside it. When you increase air inside your dough, you will get a very light and soft dough. And this air helps your dough to rise perfectly. If your dough is too sticky, you can put a little bit of oil or flour in your hands. It will help you to work your dough very well. Work your dough for about 15 minutes. Whenever you notice that your dough starts to make little bubbles, now it's time to roll out our dough in our pan. Lightly spread some semolina in your pan to give your pizza more crunchy taste. Spread lightly some flour in your working surface and start to open your dough to get same shape as your pan. When you roll out your dough, you will notice some bubbles. That means you did work your pizza dough very well and you will get nice, crunchy and airy pizza dough. Try to roll out your pizza dough same size as your pan. Roll out your pizza dough all over your rolling pin. Try to be quick to transfer it to your pan. Try with your hands to open those edges. We don't want to get thick pizza edges. For my pizza sauce, I did use a commercial one, and it's up to you. Spread your sauce very well and evenly on the top of your pizza. Toppings are optional. I did put some mozzarella and tomato chunks on the top. Bake your pizza for about 35 minutes. Whenever you notice that the pizza edges become golden, now it's time to take it out from the oven. Whenever you take out your pizza from the oven, at this time your pizza is hot. Sprinkle some cheese on the top. Add some parsley to give it more look and taste. My pizza is crunchy in outside, airy, fluffy and soft in inside. This recipe is very easy and tasty. It will never disappoint you. I hope you like my video and you will try my recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!